so in this video, we're going to be submitting our site to Google, which is Search Console or Google Webmaster, and we'll get it indexed as well, so that whenever somebody searches for it on Google, it shows pages, and if we are ranking, then obviously it will show up in results. So for that, you have to visit google.com/webmasters, and once you're over here, just sign in using your Gmail ID and click on add a property and enter the website address. So for us, it is dogloverscart.com, and make sure you have the respective HTTP or HTTPS. Click on add, and once you are done, it will ask you to verify your website. So if you are not able to see anything over here, click on alternate methods. You can just go ahead with any of the methods. What I'm going to select is HTML tag method. So I'm going to select this code and come back to WordPress admin, go to appearance editor, and this code needs to be going into head section. All right, head section. So we'll just go into header.php over here. There you go. And just search for head function, which is right over here, and paste it. Once pasted, click on update file and visit your website once so that it triggers the code. And now just go back, click on verify, and as you can see, it says congratulations, you have successfully verified your ownership of dogloverscart.com. Click on continue. You'll also receive an email for this confirmation. And now what you have to do is you have to submit this to Google, all your pages and everything, which is known as sitemap. So click on crawl, expand that, click on sitemaps, click on add, and right over here, you'll need to enter the URL where your sitemap is. So for that, now you'll have to go into your dashboard and create a sitemap. And there are various ways of creating your sitemap, but the best way for us right now would be using a plugin, which is SEO plugin, Yoast SEO plugin. It helps us automatically create sitemap and we don't have to do anything. For that, make sure you have at least a few pages on your website. So we'll just randomly create a few pages, bunch of pages. So we'll click on pages and we'll click on add new. We'll click on home, we'll write home, and we'll just click on publish. We don't want any content. It's just that for sitemap, you need a few pages. That's it. Click on add new. I would just say about and click on publish. And obviously these would not be the pages for you forever. You will be editing these pages, your home, your about, your contact page, everything, which we'll see in our future videos. Click on publish, and now we have 3 different pages. So if I click on pages, it will show all the pages: about, contact, and home. Now let's go to plugins, click on add new, and we'll install and activate one new plugin which will help us create sitemap. So we'll search for Yoast SEO, which is one of the finest plugins when it comes to SEO. So we'll click on install now. And once installed, we'll activate. And it is all done. Now we'll go into this SEO. There would be a new tab for SEO over here. So click on SEO, and once you are there, it will show you a few problems. So it says you must go to your reading settings and uncheck the box for search engine visibility. So before creating a sitemap, you'll have to go into settings and reading, because right over here, you can either click over here or go to settings and reading. At the bottom, it says discourage search engines from indexing this site. Now by default, when you install your WordPress, this would be checked marked. So you'll have to uncheck this and click on save changes. Now go back to SEO and click on features. Scroll down, and where it says XML sitemaps, click on this question mark. And it will say enable the XML sitemaps that Yoast SEO generates. So we'll click on see the XML sitemap, and this is the link. Now you can see there are a few pages. So you just have to copy this much. the ending part, sitemap underscore index.xml. Now come back to your search console and paste it over here. So this is the entire URL now for us, dogloverscar.com/sitemap underscore index.xml. Click on submit, refresh the page, and now we have submitted our sitemap. So if you see in the process section, it says pending. So now slowly and steadily, Google will start indexing our sitemap, and that is how it will be searched and crawled on Google. So that's how this step is done. Submitting your site to Google, or which is known as Google Search Console or Webmasters, and getting it indexed with Google.